This is the 2-inch by 30-yard white Gorilla Tape. I got this tape for a couple of projects, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, it's blown my mind. For instance, this white box here is being held together. You can see some of the tape right there, and some of the tape if I move this right here, and on the edge right here. It's being held together with this stuff. This stuff is absolutely incredible. It has blown my mind. It's far exceeded my expectations for it. And one of the coolest parts about it too, this stuff, it's not the thinnest tape in the world, but the hold on this is unbelievable. So check this out. When you rip it, if you stick these two sides together, man, you're not pulling them apart. They're basically bonded at that point. This stuff really doesn't come off. And I've had this stuff on like concrete walls in basements, in cold basements, and had stuff hanging off the tape. Now, I don't recommend that. It's a little bit dangerous, but this stuff is super strong. If you're in the market for some insanely strong duct tape, this Gorilla Tape is incredible. I highly recommend it.